We've been doing this probably since 2007, and around that time, interestingly enough, I had an individual, a client, that was had gotten into an accident, and he came to me around Thanksgiving and was begging for money, and I said, well, we can't give you money, but then that triggered a thought, that the light bulb went on. I said, my goodness, this man doesn't have enough money really to go out and buy a Thanksgiving turkey or to feed his family. I feel compelled to do something, so I thought, well, I'm just going to go out and buy him a turkey. And after that, I started to think, my goodness, and if you recall, back in 2007, that's when there was a deep recession, so he was not alone. And I figured that many, many people were in the same boat, and I thought, well, I've been blessed beyond my wildest imagination, and I'm certainly in a position to try to help, but how can I exactly go about doing that? And that's when the light bulb turned on. I said, I wonder how crazy it would be, having no idea how much something like this would cost. How about if I were just to start giving out turkeys for Thanksgiving? And I assembled my team at the office, and I said, I want you guys to start researching exactly how much it would cost to start giving away, 1,000 turkeys to 1,000 needy families. And not small turkeys, but good size, healthy turkeys. And sure enough, I said, I could do this. We could do this. We could start giving out and helping throughout the Thanksgiving holiday, not realizing, quite honestly, that we could even give out 1,000 turkeys. We weren't sure what the need was out there back in the day. So that first year came about, and we had contingency plans to give away if we couldn't, or donate if we couldn't find enough people that would need 1,000 turkeys. We'd had the local food bank on standby to come and pick up the undelivered turkeys. Well, that first year, apparently the need was so great that not only we had to hire crowd control, police officers. We had to the Highway 50, our office is on Summerlin, or on 50 right off of Summerlin, and we had the Highway 50 was shut down. There were helicopters flying around because the line stretched, and I'm not exaggerating, 3 blocks down the road. It was almost a half mile down the street of people sitting in line. They started to gather at midnight the night before. So we found ourselves very quickly running out of turkeys, and then we realized, oh my goodness, the need is much greater than I ever anticipated. As a matter of fact, we ran out of turkeys very quickly, and I remember saying, how do I tell these other people that have been waiting all night long for turkeys that we've run out of turkeys? I thought of the idea of handing out enough money to go have them buy their own turkey. A police officer said, if you want to riot, then go ahead and pull out money to start giving away. So please put away your money and we'll take care of it. And they dispersed the crowd, and it was just an amazing and humbling experience for me. And that's how that whole thing got started. And now, not only do we do that, we continue to help out in Orlando, but we do it in Tampa, Fort Myers, Jacksonville. So we're statewide. This program has gotten really very large. We're just an amazing program.